What will happen in a drag race between a Ford Mustang Dark Horse, a Corvette Z06 and a Dodge Demon? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. Oh, I'm going all over the place. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow. Yeehaw! The Ford Mustang Dark Horse has a 5-litre naturally aspirated V8 with 507 horsepower and 567 Nm of torque. It powers the rear wheels via a 10-speed automatic gearbox. The car weighs 1,811 kilograms and costs from £47,000. So that's $64,000 in the USA. The Chevrolet Corvette Z06 has a 5.5-litre naturally aspirated V8 with 670 horsepower and 625 Nm of torque. That drives the rear wheels via an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs in at 1,685 kilograms and costs from £88,000, which is $120,000 in the USA. The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon has a 6.2-litre supercharged V8 with 819 horsepower and 972 Nm of torque. It drives the rear wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs 1,941 kilos and costs from £63,000, around $85,000 when it was last on sale in the USA. Before we race, we need to decide who's driving which car. The Corvette is actually owned by NASCAR driver Jesse Iwuji. He's been on the channel before, he knows what he's doing. So it's now between me and you, Sam, to decide whether I or you have the Dodge Demon or the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. So what we're going to do is toss a coin. You ready?
Right. Yeah.
So I'll toss.
Always.
Always. And you call.
Heads.
Heads. Okay.
I'm going to take the Mustang.
What? Really?
Yeah, because I like living rent-free in this little head. I've got less power, I've no launch control, and when I beat you in that, you're going to be just embarrassed.
Are you trying to psych me out here?
Yeah, you're not going to be able to get the power down in that.
Oh no. Well, we'll see, Sam. We will see. Let's get on with this. Tell you the truth, if I had won the toss, I'd have picked the Dodge Demon anyway. So I mean, the car I want, though, oh God, it's just gonna be so cringe if Sam beats me. Let's get into the first race. Third gear, roll on over the half mile.
Sounds good, mate.
There we go. This is gonna be all about torque. I should win as long as it doesn't spin up its tires. 3, 2, 1, go. Spinning. Whoa, it's going sideways, this thing. Come on!
Wow.
That Corvette is so fast! This is pulling now though, but it's too little, too late. Let's go! I'm a little bit embarrassed. Your car just took off.
I mean, I can't help it. That's Chevy power right there. You got all that power. I don't know what happened. And the Mustang is supposed to be the drag car as well. So I don't know.
Mate, I tell you what happened is I put my foot down and it spun up its wheels. I changed gear, it spun up its wheels again. That point you were ahead and I thought I'd reel you in and for a moment I was. But then there just wasn't enough space. I am worried though about like the rolling races in lower gears because this thing does not hook up. This is not a foregone conclusion, this. Let's continue warming up our tyres. Let's do a brake test first. See which car can stop in the shortest distance.
Now, Jesse and Sam.
Do not change down your gears. We're gonna see if you can resist changing down your gears.
Now, Sam, this is a test because there's a racing driver next to you.
If he can manage not to do it, your excuse that it's just like, you know, it's muscle memory is unfounded.
Hold on, if I keep it in the drive mode, it's gonna naturally downshift itself unless you want me to keep it manual and just not touch it at all.
Put it in drive then. Sam, you can put yours in drive. Let the car do its thing, okay?
Jesse, could you just explain to the viewers that downshifting when you're at maximum brake does nothing? Can you help them understand that? Because people get so upset that I'm shifting down and I just do it as a force of habit, but Matt gets all upset.
Yeah, at maximum braking, it's not going to help you a ton, but it does help just a little bit sometimes once you get down to the lower speeds.
Yes, 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 Jesse, yes, my man. Yeah, you can come back again, Sam. Ha!
Jesse, you've changed. You used to be cool. I don't like you anymore.
I don't care what happens now, Jesse. This has been my favourite drag race so far. Oh, what a victory. What a victory. Come on! Oh, can I beat Jesse? Yes! Yes! Sam, did you downshift?
I did not, so ha!
See, Sam, you can do it. You still won though, right?
I'm looking at your slick cup tyres there. Jesse, that's embarrassing, so we won't even talk about that.
I mean,
how did I beat you? You should hang your head in shame.
I'm just happy that for once I didn't come last. And leave Jesse alone. He's my new mate, all right? Just leave him alone.
hey, it's not fair. I had carbon ceramic brakes that were cold, so that's my excuse right there.
Oh, it's nice that you've got a good book of excuses too. Well done, Jesse. Maybe we should relocate Carwow to America and you can replace Sam.
Carwow, America.
That hurts in so many ways, Matthew.
Okay guys, what we're going to do now is a roll-in drag race thingy. So we're going to roll in at about 10 miles an hour. Everyone stay level with me. The starter will start us. As soon as their hands start to go down, we're going to race. And we're going to race over the quarter mile to the first cones and then on to the second cones, and we'll see which car wins.
3, 2, 1.
It's going sideways, come on.
Come on.
Oh, it's all over the place and now Jesse's coming past.
Let's go, I'm winning.
Oh!
I'm beating the Dodge Demon and the Mustang.
Come on, shift.
Ah!
Let's go, let's go.
Okay, Jesse, I thought I had you there. I picked up well, but then it started to spin and you got traction, then you were ahead, and then that was it. It was the same thing again.
You almost had me. You never had me. You never had your car.
I was ahead for a moment, a brief moment, and then when yours hooked, I was done.
Formal protest.
Oh, of course.
That was pretty crazy. I mean, I was spinning up a ton.
This had a bit of a brain fart shifting up. Come on, shift. I don't think it makes a difference because spaceship and 1,000,000 horsepower. But all I'm saying is, in manual, when you shift just at the limit, it doesn't like it. It was a bit dim-witted. So formal protest, I'd like to rerun that, but I want to roll in D and see can it do a little bit better.
You know, I'm happy for that because it gives me a chance to have another go at it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, come on.
Okay.
This is snaking. Oh, I'm going all over the place.
I got a real man. I just passed the Dodge Demon.
No!
We're hauling them in. Beat them to the quarter mile.
Can I catch that dark horse? No! No! Yes! Ah! I mean, this was just chaos.
That was awesome.
I was just spinning my wheels constantly then, just constantly.
Victories are nice over here. I don't know about you guys, but I like standing on top of the podium.
Well done, Sam. You won the 8th of the mile race.
And to be fair, I'm still struggling with tyre temp. I think this could have gone even better. It's just not putting power down, but it did much better, didn't it?
You're struggling with tyre temp. What about me? My car, I'm looking like this. The wheels going all over the place. It's just snaking the whole time.
You've got cut slicks, sort your life out and warm them up properly. I'm just on treaded tyres. I can't do anything about it.
Okay, well, I will follow your advice. Let's go do that. Right, racing driver guys, I'm going to open my book of excuses, okay? So yes, Sam, I might be on these, like, kind of semi-slick tyres. But even so, this is where my wheel spinning stopped. I'm like I'm like an eighth of a mile down. Look how long this is.
Do you have any modulation in you at all?
No.
Just a big stupid right foot.
Yes.
Look at that.
Yeah, your excuses stop right here.
That's a fair
This is where
point,
your
actually.
excuses stop, all right?
Good point, Jesse. Matt, you literally, all that happened was the car ran out of inertia and eventually caught up with itself.
Yes.
What? Why didn't you just feather it a little bit?
I feel like I want to walk it to see how many paces it is. Look how straight it is, Jesse.
That is pretty straight. At least it's tracking straight.
I kept it straight.
Yeah.
give me that?
Yeah, you
Okay,
did. You
okay.
did. I didn't see your headlights,
No.
you know, so that was good.
So what I'm
You
going to do, if you want to get back in your cars, I'm just going to pace it out, okay?
Yeah.
Just pace it out. Guys, that's 90 paces. Can we have one more go where I try to finesse it a bit more?
We can, but we know you won't, so it's up to you.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so that Corvette is just faster, but come on!
V06 taking it to the front.
Come on! I'm reeling him back in, come on!
Ah, look at them go.
Come on! Come on! Come on!
The Dodge Demon's right there. He's trying to come.
No!
Oh, man.
Same result, but I did better, Jesse. It was closer, wasn't it?
You definitely did a lot better that time. I actually got a little worried, but the Z06 Team Chevy, you know how we do over here. We win.
Ah, Sam.
Formal protest. You've got more power than me.
I thought he was going to say you got traction control on. He hasn't figured it. Seeing as we're in big V8 American cars, let's do a standing burnout to warm up our tyres. Sam, do you want to go first?
Yes, please.
What the is going on here?
Does the dark horse not have line lock?
It does, Jack. I'm doing it. It just doesn't want to do it. Like when I do it, it thinks it's doing it. It's got a thing on the dash of the wheel spin and the smoke, but nothing's happening, is it?
Okay, so for some reason Sam can't do line lock. Jesse, do you want to give it a go in your car?
Yeah, but mine won't be able to do a standing burnout. It'll be a little bit of a rolling burnout for about, maybe, 40 feet or so. Hopefully that works for you.
Well, actually, no, I don't want you to warm up your tyres at all, mate. I don't need you to have any advantage.
Don't worry. No matter what, I'm winning this one.
No, not necessarily. Let's see what the Demon can do. I think that's it. That worked. One victory to the Demon. Ugh.
3, 2, 1.
I bog a little bit. But I'm coming back.
Got beaten by the Dark Horse.
I got out on the Demon, beating the Dark Horse. Let's go!
No!
I'm gaining now, but
Oh, come on! Come on!
That's just miles off the money.
Come on, come on. Yes!
Oh my goodness. That Corvette is so fast though. I think it can do a better launch. This can definitely do a better launch. I don't know if that Mustang can. Jesse, I think you won that, didn't you, on the line?
Yeah, so mine didn't want to launch. It like had a little bit of slip and then it kind of took all the power away and it like bogged. It almost like stalled. It was very weird. But then, you know, after that it took off. The Dark Horse got out of there.
Sometimes less power is better. This just, it didn't launch at all. It just spun up its wheels and just sat there and then it went. But by that point I was so far behind. Let's have another go.
So the two cars with launch control were beaten by someone without it, just saying. Okay, good.
That's exactly what happened. Let's give it another go. Before then though, let's just quickly do a sound check to see which car sounds the best. Right, I'm going to start with my Demon. You ready? Soft limiter. Okay, Sam, can you go next in the Dark Horse? Nice. Go on, Jesse. Sounds more like a Ferrari than an American V8, but there we go.
Flat plane crank V8. By the way, you know, fun fact, GM did, I believe, invent the flat plane crank V8 in the 1920s.
Umpire here. Not fair on you if we don't judge it from the front.
Okay, okay. I like the umpire. Oh, Sam, you lose.
Right, you've got a stupid supercharger. Jesse's got a Ferrari exhaust. So what do you want from me?
I want you not to beat me in this race. That's all I want.
3, 2, 1.
No, I floored it. I couldn't help myself.
Let's go!
Moral victory!
I'm closer to Jesse.
Sake!
I think I can go quicker, but oh.
We're winning!
So that's 2-0 to you, Jesse. Looks like you have won.
Thank you so much, Team Chevy. That's what we do. All we do is win, 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 no matter what.
He is so sponsored by GM.
Every single race, this has got off the line better than both of you. Just saying.
Umpire here. Stop arguing. That's 3 out of 5.
One more race, Jesse. Lifeline. I reckon, right, I cocked up that start a bit. I reckon I might be able to have you.
3, 2, 1.
Go on, the Mustang!
Let's go!
No!
I've got to pull past Sam. Please pull past Sam. Oh, yes.
Ah!
Come on, we got this win. There we go.
All right, whatever happens, you seem to come out on top. It is what it is. This thing, I'm just having to nanny it so much off the line.
I'm taking a moral victory.
Of course.
I got off the line better than all of you every single race. Mustang for the win.
But the actual winner, Jesse, clean sweep. Regardless of what happens, that Corvette comes out on top, doesn't it really?
Every single time, that's what we do.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Corvette won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 12.2 seconds. The Dodge took 12.4 seconds and the Ford came last with a time of 12.8 seconds.